one. My second question is, do you need a letter from the Office of Civil Rights to successfully file a suit against CPS in a federal court?
Okay, if I noticed that, the call screener says that you're from Virginia, and I don't know Virginia law. We're only licensed here in California. But if you were in California, you do not need such a letter, because the state of California can't do anything to prohibit you from pursuing your federal rights in your federal lawsuit. I can only guess that it's the same in Virginia, but before I do anything, if I were you, I would go talk to a Virginia civil rights lawyer. What city are you in Virginia?
I am in Southwest Virginia, in the city of Norton, and I've not been able to. All of the attorneys that handle civil rights are on the other side of the state, north of Richmond, Fairfax, Norfolk, Virginia Beach, that region between those points and Richmond. So, and all of them kind of sort of accept or different types of civil rights violations. A big one is police malfeasance.
Right.
Everyone seems to do that, but I'm not even able to get anybody to return phone calls and emails despite several attempts. And I've started looking outside of the state for someone that even handles these types of things.
Right. It reminds me, we used to have a guest host on our social media sites. Her name was Cynthia. And, it took Cynthia, I think she said she made 50 calls before she found someone. And she happened to find me. I was, I think, number 50 who took on her case. But, sometimes you got to spend time on the telephone, because a lot of attorneys who do civil rights don't do civil rights cases against CPS social workers. And the reason being is they don't know the whole CPS, roadmap, and it's hard for them to have to learn that as well as try to win your civil rights case. So you might, have to find someone that will do it. I can give you the name of a couple of attorneys to call. One of them is in Fairfax, Virginia. He doesn't necessarily do these types of cases, but I bet he can refer you to someone. And his first name is Ben, and I can't think of his last name offhand. But if you call me at the office on Monday, 888-888-6582, I'll look up Ben's last name and give you his office telephone number. Also, there's an attorney. He's one of the gurus in suing CPS. As a matter of fact, that's all he does. He doesn't go to CPS court and get your kids back. He only sues CPS social workers, but he's in California and San Diego. You can look him up on Google, Sean McMillan. I do know Sean has taken cases outside of California on a couple of occasions. So I do know he will go out of state to represent someone in a CPS case. So give him a call, look him up on Google to get his telephone number. And of course, if you want to talk to me, we do cases outside the state. Give me a call at 888-888-6582, and I'll talk to you about your cases as well.
Outstanding.